I started here because my wife was pregnant, and the benefits with it I was not expecting either. Like our paternity leave, I had no idea we got 12 weeks. 12 weeks? I was like kind of shocked. And I was like, yep, sign me up. I actually got more than my wife, so I was able to stay at home a lot while she went back to work. It was the best bonding time I could have ever asked. My name is Mason Stauss, and I'm a line lead. My position's the backup supervisor. I'm a line lead level 3. Throughout me working here, they kind of saw the potential in me, and then they gave me that position of line lead level 3. I have 3 years in October, so yeah, 3 years. We have 4 main leads right now. I just make sure that they are well taken care of. If they have the correct people, if they need people, I'm the one that will start shuffling people around, kind of have a chessboard every day. I come in and move people strategically around to try to get the most out of the day. A bunch of different personalities. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh yeah, I was always a people person. Actually, I was going in to be a teacher. I actually worked for this one company where I worked with kids who had autism. There, I felt like you had no time to do anything. It was a lot, especially working with special needs kids. They need a lot of attention. One day I got a message from my now wife that she was expecting to have a baby. The job wasn't paying enough, there wasn't good benefits, so I knew I could probably hop into a manufacturing job pretty quickly and get the good benefits and be able to support my family. I found this place on Indeed, and here I am. I saw I could grow with it, so I've stuck with it. It's actually a really good feeling. I am starting to train other leads on how to do paperwork, stuff like that, and it's very rewarding because they might not understand math that well, and just being able to walk them through the steps is very rewarding once they get that aha moment, and seeing them being able to do so much stuff on their own is awesome. Success means being able to support my family. If I'm gonna be honest, it's nice. I got this job for my family, and it's awesome. They get to see me grow with the company and kind of start off on the little man on the totem pole and start working up. I'm happy that I'm able to show my son that, yeah, you can start off low and then grow. I love it.